Good morning, students. Today I will see about the two more questions and answers in November 2015, the Madras University question papers. It's a class first time come and then subject code KDABA. The subject name is Strategic Human Resource Management. The questions are Part A. Okay, these are all the Part A questions, all the three set of question papers. First questions, what is HRM? The human resource management is the process of recruiting, selecting, inducting employees, providing orientations, imparting training and development, appraising the performance of employees, deciding compensations and providing benefits, motivating employees, maintaining proper relations with employees and their trade unions. Okay, it's called is a HRM. Okay, and then second questions, what is strategic HRM? The strategic HRM is proactive process of managing employees in an organization that include standard human resources components such as attracting, developing, rewarding and retaining employees and brings them one step further by taking in considerations the goals and needs of other departments within the organizations and the organization itself. Okay, this is called as a strategic HRM. And question number 3, what is career? It's a career means it's a part of life. Okay, it's a one man life. It's a career. It's a part of life that is concerned with employment. From an occupational standpoint, it means the sum total of the various jobs you may be hold during your lifetime. However, these definitions do not fully capture the meaning of career. Okay, career it's a part of the life. ஓகே உங்களுக்கான என்ன லைஃப் இருக்கோ அதில் மேக்ஸிமம் இட்ஸ் கேரியர் இட்ஸ் எ பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஒர்க்கிங் அப்படின்றது வேலை அப்படின்றது மேக்ஸிமம் இட்ஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பார்ட் ஆஃப் கேரியர் அப்படின்னு. ஓகே, அண்ட் தென் ஃபோர்த் கொஷின்ஸ், வாட் இஸ் கேரியர் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் எஃபெக்ட்? Career is the generally course of actions an individual chooses to pursue all through his or her employment life. It may be presented as occupational positions a person has held over so many years. It is called many people feel satisfied by the achieving their goals of careers at the sometimes other having a strong feelings that their careers, their lives and their potential has undergone unfulfilled. The employers do have a profound effect on employees' career. On the next questions, question number 5, what is career process? The first process is identifying individuals' needs and goals. Second process, analyzing career opportunities. Third process, aligning needs and opportunities. Fourth process, formulating action plans and performing periodic review. Question number 6, what is external equity? External equity refers the perception of employees of companies that pay the structures and compensation systems. In a market society, companies most often needs to pay the market rate in order to hire competent employees. And then 7th, state the meaning of internal equity. The internal equity refers to the comparisons of pay between people is in the some company. External equity refers to the comparisons of pay between the employees and those outside of the company. Although there can and should be internal and external equity comparisons about equity compensations. Okay, it's a external compensation or internal compensation based. Okay, and then external equity. The external equity, the situations that exist when the organization pay rates or at least equal to market rates the employees also compare their jobs and pay to the jobs and pay in other organizations. This is called as a external equity. And then question number 9, what is career development systems? The career development is essentially for the implementation of career planning. Okay, career development, it's one of the career planning. It refers to set of programs designed to match an individual needs, abilities and goals with current or future opportunities in these organizations. ஓகே எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் யாராச்சும் உங்களுடைய கோல்ஸ் என்னென்னு கேட்டால் அதுக்காக நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுற அதே சேம் இங்கே தான் அப்படின்றது இங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. In the process through which the actions plans and implemented departmental activities includes all the off-the-job training and then on-the-job training techniques. And question number 10, define compensations. What's the meaning of compensation or definition compensation? Compensation refers to monetary payments given to an individual in exchange of their service. In the workplace, compensation is what is earned by employees. ஓகே, நீங்கள் என்ன ஏர்ன் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அதுக்கேற்ற கூலி அப்படின்றது தான் மேக்ஸிமம் இட்ஸ் கம்பன்சேஷன்ஸ். இட் இன்க்ளூட்ஸ் சேலரி ஆர் வேஜஸ் இன் அடிஷன்ஸ் டு கமிஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் எனி incentives or perks that comes within the given employees positions. Okay, and then question number 11, write any two goals of compensation systems. The first goals, to start with a bit of review, there are three main goals for the compensation programs. First is to attract and retain the best possible workforce considering the resources of the organizations. Okay, it's a compensation programs. Okay, and then possible which உங்களுக்கு எது பாசிபிள் இருக்கோ அதை சூஸ் பண்ணுறது அப்படின்றது. செகண்ட், திஸ் மோட்டிவ் டு மோட்டிவ் திஸ் ஒர்க் ஃபோர்ஸ் டு அச்சீவ் ஹை லெவல் பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ். ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச வேலையை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாக மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணி செய்ய வைக்கிறது அப்படின்னு. தேர்ட் கோல்ஸ், டு கீப் லேபர் காஸ்ட் வித்தின் த கேப்பபிலிட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் த ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ஸ். ஓகே, அதுக்கான என்ன உங்களுக்கு லேபர் காஸ்ட்டோ அது உங்களுடைய காம்பன்சேஷனாக மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் உங்களுடைய ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்றது. Okay, and then question number 12, what is strategic HRD practices? Strategic human resources management or human resources development can be defined as a systematic process of developing the skills and competences of peoples through talent development, leadership development, employee development, performance development and training development is a processes to enable the organizations to sustain it. Okay, these are all the development systems. Okay, and then question number 13, what is a visions? A vision is a mental image of a possible and desirable future state the organizations. A vision described aspirations for futures, a designation for the organizations. We can say that a vision is a dream, a distance on long-term dreams. It provides a direction for the organizations. It's a visions. Okay, vision or missions. Next, question number 16, define HRM. So human resources management is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of the procurement, development, compensations and integrations, maintenance and sparizations of human resources to the end that individuals' organizational and social objectives are accomplished. For Edwin B, it's a definitions of HRM. Next, what is training? It is concerned with developing the particular skills to the desired standard by instructions and practices. It is highly useful tool that can bring any employees into the position where they can do their jobs correctly and effectively and continuously. It is an act of increasing the knowledge and skills of an employee for during a particular job. Okay, this is called a training. Next, it's a define job analysis. Job analysis is the process of systematically analyzes the activities pertaining to each jobs. It is designed to define the duties, responsibilities, and accountability of the job. And question number 19, explain job descriptions. It is an organized and planned factual statements of a duties and responsibilities of a specific job, what to be done, and then how to be done, and then why to be done. ஒரு ஒர்க்கை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்னா எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும், ஏன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும், அது எப்படி பண்ணுறது, எவ்வாறு பண்ணுறது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அந்த 3 questions-க்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ். அண்ட் தென் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் ஜாப் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன். தி ஜாப் satisfactions are developed and promoted by the HR department in cooperation with the line functionaries. This called is a job satisfactions. And then define recruitment. Okay, recruitment, the process of searching for a prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the job in these organizations. It is called as a recruitment. And then what do you mean by training? As organizations respond to their freshers for change from an increasingly competitive environment, managers need to develop a new capabilities and a new skills. It is called as a training. Okay, and then define promotions. It is a term which covers a change and calls for greater responsibilities and usually involves higher pay and better terms and conditions of service, and therefore the high status of ranks its professor memoria. It's called is a define promotions. Next, define wages. What's the meaning of wages or definitions? Wages is a monetary compensation. Okay, it's a monetary compensation. For examples, it's one of the remunerations or it's a personal expenses. Okay, this is called a remunerative compensation paid by an employer to an employee in exchange for work done. Next, explain performance evaluations. A performance evaluation system is a systematic way to examine how well an employee in performing in his or her job. Okay, what's the performance? உங்களோட ரோல் என்னன்னு பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுடைய என்ன பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி உங்களோட எவாலுவேஷன்ஸ் ஆர் உங்களுக்கு கம்பன்சேஷன் சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்றது. நெக்ஸ்ட், what do you mean the compensations? So already I explained. So go to the next questions. What is performance appraisal? The performance appraisal is the systematic evaluation of the performance employees and to understand the abilities of a personnel for future growth and development. This is a performance appraisal. And what do you mean by the grievances? It may be any genius or imaginary feelings of dissatisfactions or injustice which an employee experiences about his job and its nature, about the management policies and procedures. And define HRP, human resources planning. It's HRP, it contains two things. It's one is planning of manpower recruitment and it's a planning for manpower suppliers. Okay, and then last questions, define discipline. As per the RP Colon, discipline may be considered as the force that prompts individuals or groups to observe rules, standards and procedures deemed necessary for an organization. Okay, these are all 30 questions. Is here 2 more questions for April 2016 and the April 2015 and November 2015. It's a university question purpose. Okay, please watch and keep study. Thank you.